In this video, I'll show you how PayPal and Cash App compare and help you decide which one is right for your needs. Start by understanding the main purpose of each platform. PayPal is a global online payments platform used for personal transfers, online shopping, invoicing, and business payments. Cash App is a mobile payment service focused on quick peer-to-peer transfers, banking features, and simple financial tools primarily for users in the United States and the United Kingdom. Next, let's look at sending and receiving money. Both PayPal and Cash App allow users to send money to friends and family. Cash App is known for its simple and fast mobile experience, while PayPal offers broader functionality and international reach. When it comes to online shopping, PayPal has a significant advantage. Many websites and online stores accept PayPal as a payment method. PayPal also offers buyer protection for eligible purchases, making it a popular choice for e-commerce transactions. Cash App is generally less widely accepted as an online checkout option. Now consider business features. PayPal provides invoicing tools, payment processing, subscription billing, and business accounts. These features make it a strong option for freelancers, online sellers, and businesses. Cash App supports business accounts as well, but its business tools are generally simpler and more limited compared to PayPal. Next, let's talk about international availability. PayPal operates in many countries around the world and supports cross-border payments. Cash App has a much smaller geographic footprint and is primarily designed for domestic use in supported countries. After that, review fees. Both services may charge fees depending on the type of transaction. Cash App often offers free standard transfers between users, while PayPal's fees can vary based on payment type, currency conversion, and whether the transaction is personal or business related. Now, consider additional features. Cash App includes services such as a debit card, direct deposit options, stock investing, and Bitcoin transactions. PayPal also offers financial products, but its primary strength remains online payments and business transactions. When it comes to ease of use, Cash App is often preferred by users who want a simple mobile-first experience for sending money quickly. PayPal provides more features and flexibility, but the additional functionality can make the platform feel more complex. Next, think about your specific use case. If you mainly want to send money to friends, receive personal payments, and use a simple mobile app, Cash App may be the better choice. If you need online payment processing, international transactions, business tools, or broad acceptance across websites, PayPal is usually the stronger option. Finally, remember that many people use both services. Cash App can be convenient for personal transfers, while PayPal can handle online purchases, business payments, and international transactions. And that's it. You've successfully learned the differences between PayPal and Cash App. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.